Did you miss us?
I bet they did.
I bet they did too. So today for math, we have a review and a test. So what you'll need with you to start out is your review page that looks like this, and a pencil or something to write with.
Okay, Miss Erickson, I got a new joke for you. Ready?
No way, a new joke?
Yes.
All right.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Luke.
Luke who?
Luke out. We have a math test today.
A math test, my favorite! Let's get going.
Perfect. Do you want to take number one?
All right. So if we are looking at number one, we want to look at the math problem where we can make a 10. And we're going to circle it, Miss Nelson.
You need a blue crayon for this one. Got a blue marker.
All right. Go ahead and circle since it's on your side, Miss Nelson.
Okay. I know that if I need to find one that makes a 10, my answer is 9. There's no way to make a 10 if I only have 9. So I'm going to circle 8 plus 6.
All right. On number 2, we have 3 choices of how we're looking for a doubles fact. Oh, we did this the last time we were together. All right. I'm going to look for 2 numbers that are the same. Nope. Oop, already, here we are. I'm going to circle the doubles fact. And I know that 6 plus 6 is
12.
12. And if 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 7 must be
13. Oh, look at that, I noticed. These have the same number.
They're just flipped around.
So we don't have to do any work.
If we don't, we know the answer already.
Love their answers.
All right, on to the make a tens. So when Miss Nelson and I were with you last time, we did the worksheet where we colored in the squares.
Yes.
And this time, oh, they're a little different, Miss Nelson.
No, this one isn't full.
It's not. So what do you think we should do?
I think we could maybe take one over here. I might take one from the bottom. I might cross it out. So I know I moved that one up to here.
And you filled up a tens frame.
I did, so now I know that this is 10. I just need to add the other ones. So I see 7 there. So 10 plus 7, like we learned last time. We can kick that 0 out. That gives us the answer, 17. But this one, I notice, has a full tens frame, and it has 7 as well. So these both have the same answer.
I love it when that happens, don't you?
I do too.
All right. Now, boys and girls, we're going to do number 4 with you, and then we're going to have you pause the video while you finish it up. So the next part is circling numbers where we can make a 10. Oh, this first one's so easy. 5 plus 5. I'm going to circle the 5 plus 5. And I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Oh, I love these make a 10s. 10 plus 4. Kick that 0 out of the way. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now, boys and girls, you have a look at 5, 6, 7, and 8. Should we have them stop at 8? Okay. So pause the video, make a 10, find a way that you can make a 10, solve those answers, and then when you're ready, turn it back on and we'll check your work.
You might have to double check. Sometimes you might have to circle 2 numbers that aren't right next to each other in the word problem.
We'll see how you do.
Okay, we're back. We completed our numbers, 5 through 8. We made sure to circle the ones that made 10. We know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. So if 6 plus 4 equals 10, we kick that 0 out and get 13. Check 6 through 8 to make sure that you circled what makes a 10 and have the same answer as us. Should we do the word problem?
We probably should. Let's do it together.
Whenever I read word problems, I always make sure I underline the most important things in the story so I can look back at them.
Right. It says a bus company has 5 buses.
I'm going to underline 5 buses.
Then it buys 9 more buses.
9 more buses.
How many buses does the company have all together? Oh,
So if I'm looking at this, what word do I know if I'm doing addition or subtraction?
I think it's the word all together.
All
Is that what
together.
you think? All together.
So we have to do 5 plus 9. I need to make sure I fill in my symbols for them. So I have my plus symbol and my equal symbol. This looks like one where we might be able to make a 10 frame with it.
You could. Do you want to, or do you just want to count up?
Let's count up.
All right. 5 plus 9 equals 14.
In word problems, you always have to make sure we write our answer 2 times when they want us to. Perfect.
All right. We're going to move in next to the math test.
If you want to take a quick little break though, there is a link right there in the description where you can practice counting to 120. You can do it now or you can wait till the end if you want to keep going.
Ready?
Ready.
So what you need right now is this paper, which is your Chapter 17 post-test, and a pencil. You might want some counters. It's up to you. Ready?
Ready.
Do you have another joke for me, or are we just going to keep going?
Let's just keep going.
All right, here we go. Write the sum. Number 1, 7 plus 7. That's a doubles fact, Miss Nelson. 7 plus 7 equals... Go ahead.
Don't tell them the answers.
I was going to.
If you need some more time, just make sure you pause the video so you can solve the problem. Number 2, it says, make a 10 and add. Write the sum. So I'm noticing a few boxes over here are empty, so it's not a full 10 frame. We might have to use a few of our dots down here and move them around. Fill the 10 frame and write your answer. This one has 2 steps for you to do.
So hard not to write the answer, Miss Nelson.
I know, I had to put down my pen. I was tempted to write it.
Number 3, you were writing the sum. So boys and girls, if you want to make a tens frame, that's fine. If you just want to count on, that's fine too. You might have a number line. That'll work as well. Go ahead and write the sum.
Our next problem, number 4, it says 2 plus 3 plus 8, and it says write the sum. I know that this is a problem where I can circle 2 numbers and they will equal 10, so I'll have to check to figure out which 2 numbers I can add together to equal 10 and not forget to add that third number as well. This test is a little bit shorter than the one we usually do in class. So this one will only have 9 problems. So we're already almost done.
All right, number 5, write the sum. 10 plus 5. They filled up the tens frame. So boys and girls, all you need to do is count on from 10 and write the answer. I notice there's a line missing there, Miss Nelson. They may want to draw that line.
Our next problem, number 6. This is an empty tens frame. You might have to make sure you fill the tens frame and write your answer. You might have to use a couple dots down here in order to make it nice and full.
Number 7, write the sum. 8 plus 8.
Number 8 is a word problem. So I'm going to actually pick up my marker so I can make sure that I underline the most important parts. Writing number sentence to solve. 8 firefighters arrive at a fire. I'm going to underline 8 firefighters. 4 more firefighters join them. 4 more firefighters join them. How many firefighters are at the fire now? Make sure you use your information up here. You'll need to add your symbols, and it looks like you need to write your answer 2 times, once here and once here.
If if you need more time, go ahead and push pause. We're going to go on to the last one, which is number 9. Again, writing a number sentence to solve. A mail carrier delivers 7 letters. I'm going to underline 7 letters. Then he delivers 6 more letters. I'm going to underline all 3 of those. 6 more letters. How many letters does the mail carrier deliver in all? Ooh, those words tell me what to do, don't they, Miss Nelson?
They do.
They do. Boys and girls, go ahead and write your number sentence. And like Miss Nelson said, don't forget to write the answer here and here.
Those are all the questions. If there's any questions you weren't sure of at the time, you can always go back in the video and listen to us read the questions one more time.
We're done. Yes.